Welcome to AGORACOM, the small cap epicenter on AGORACOM TV, a daily fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Monday, May the 30th. Let me wish all our American friends, family, clients, members, guests, everybody a safe and happy, most importantly, safe. We've already heard of a couple of accidents, including Sean Kingston, so you got to be safe out there. I've got two press releases for you. First one comes out of Xzeres, trades on the OTC on the stock symbol XPWR. This news actually came out on Friday. Great news. This is a client of AGORACOM. I have to disclose that, so do your due diligence. Assume I'm horribly conflicted. They put out their fourth quarter and year-end 2011 results for the period ended February 28th. Revenue for the fourth quarter, $648,000. That's a 38% sequential increase, and that's exactly what Xzeres has done since they first started operations last May. It's a very young company. First quarter had no revenue, but then second, third, and fourth quarter, they ramped it up. I'm very excited about that. That proves this company can execute. This is a company you've got to watch if you believe in the wind market and especially in the small wind power market. Revenue for the entire year, $1.48 million. Congratulations to the entire team there, Frank Rico and David Baker. Fantastic result. I think this company is going to get better and better, and you've got to put this on your radar screen. Again, I own shares, but I'm going long on this company. Quote here from Frank Rico, CEO and President: during the fourth quarter, we saw continued growth as we apply significant resources to develop our sales and marketing capabilities. In addition, our industry is continuing to expand rapidly. I'm going to talk about that in a second. Both of these combined position us well to become a market leader for the small wind power systems market. Now, it only makes sense that the industry is continuing to expand. I think small wind power is going to continue to gain, especially given the fact that we've got oil prices sitting at $100 a barrel. It doesn't look like for the foreseeable future. I mean, we may have dips here and there, but I think long term, we're looking at three-digit oil on average for many years to come. And that means consumers and, more importantly, business are going to be driven to alternative energy. Small wind, Xzeres has already proven that they can deliver on that. They closed on Friday at 80 cents or 52-week high, 88 cents or 52-week low, 57 cents market cap, $15 million. Okay, so not bad. Pretty nice market cap for you to take a look at. Take a look at the company. You're not going to regret it. Next up, Entertainment Media Inc. trades on the TSX Venture on the stock symbol INT. For our friends in the U.S., ITMTF, and for our friends in Frankfurt, I4T. Now, this doesn't need any introduction. Most small cap investors out there, Entertainment is the volume leader on the TSX Venture in 2011. Enormous volume, enormous volatility. They put another press release today. Ortspo is increasing its global social media distribution. Now, Ortspo is their real-time translation chat platform where people from all over the world can speak in their respective languages, but it ends up on the when the messages end up on the other side, they actually land in the language of the person using the platform. It's an amazing platform. The numbers, especially prescient when you consider the fact that Google has reported the closing down of its popular translate application. That really leaves the door open for entertainment. They're launching on a new HTML alpha platform. I like this because it allows the use of Ortspo without the need to download a plugin. I like that kind of system. I prefer HTML systems like that. I don't like plugins. I prefer not to have them. Initially, this HTML platform is going to be available on Facebook, MSN, and Google Gtalk. Other social networks, as you can imagine, are going to be connected pretty quickly, and I expect to see a lot of news on that in the coming weeks. They've done this by moving to Windows Azure, which is a cloud computing platform. Makes it a lot easier, and the company says it's going to provide additional cost savings. They closed on Friday $1.16. Let me get their quote up here. They closed on Friday $1.16. Right now, $1.14, down 2 cents, 3.6 million shares. So a lot of action left in entertainment media. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. Just two press releases for you today because the American markets are closed. No press release out of the U.S. And even out of Canada, they're going to keep it light because they want those American eyeballs to be on them. But as always, quality over quantity. Two great press releases. If you're watching this on Globe Investor and you're looking for other great small cap resource energy companies we followed over the past few days, then look below me or to the left of me to take a look at those companies. If you're not on AGORACOM already, get there, watch the show on a daily basis, take a look at the headlines to the right, and get into our marketplace to discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.